local grocery store. Let's just go over it. Alright, I'm going to start back here with my dairy. This is a brand I haven't tried, but it was on sale. It's unsweetened almond milk. I try to shop the ads. This was on sale, so I'm going to try that for my almond milk. I'm going to be making, I think I told y'all in a previous video, I'm going to try and make some bulletproof chai latte type things, and I may use some of this in that. I also have another drink that I'll be showing y'all coming up that uses almond milk. I also bake with it sometimes. I got some cold brew coffee. I've heard this brand was yummy, so I just decided to give it a try. Not dairy, but it was sitting here. Got another thing of heavy whipping cream. This is the Organic Valley brand. 2 packs of cream cheese because we go through this like crazy. I'll use 1 pack for my egg loaf and then another pack for something else. Some more butter. Again, always need butter. This I use more like for baking. It's the unsalted regular. I have some Monterey Jack cheese for some of the meals that we're doing this week. Mozzarella in case I feel like making a fathead pizza. Some more. These craft cheeses were on sale, so they were much cheaper than the block. I was planning to shred my own this week, but this will save a step. It does have a little bit of starch in it, I know. Then we got some sour cream, again for another meal. This is some blue cheese, just to put in salads. Some Swiss cheese for chicken cordon bleu, and then some, this is ham for my chicken cordon bleu casserole also. Got a little bit of sopressata just for lunches. Moving on here, we've got some slaw. This is going to go into my hamburger casserole actually. It's just cabbage. Basically, it has a few tiny little carrots in it, but this goes into the hamburger casserole that I'll be making. And then some salad greens. I have some in the refrigerator already. The salad greens, let's see, fruit-wise, got some pineapple and some cuties. The kids are really liking these little oranges right now. And then back in the back there, I've got some hard-boiled eggs and 3 dozen regular eggs. I'm not sure why I got 3 dozen, but we'll use them. Some avocado oil. There's the chai tea, the Stash brand right there. Let's see. I have not tried this brand, but they were out of the brand I usually get, so we'll try that. Then we've got some pizza sauce. I like this brand. It has relatively low carb count. This is going to be a dipping sauce for the pepperoni pinwheels that I'm making for the kids' lunches, and then one for fathead pieces if I decide to make that one day for lunch or dinner. Always good to have because it can just be in the pantry. Some mushrooms that are for dinners this week. Some jalapeno slices and some hot chili peppers just to have on hand. And this is also going to go into a dressing that I'm making. Got a bunch of bacon that I'm going to pre-cook for breakfast and meal prep. These were on sale. They were not in my plan really, but they were really good price, so got these. They're really great grilled, so my husband's going to grill some of them tonight actually for dinner, and then I'll do 2 tonight and then put 2 in the freezer. Some Italian sausage for one of my meal preps this week. Some turkey sausage because this is what I like to eat with my egg loaf. It tastes like a McGriddle and I love it. So got that, and then some pork rinds to grind up so that I'll have them for breadings or whatever when I need them. And that is it from Lowe's, and I have a small little haul from Walmart that I will share with you. Walmart grocery haul, pretty small, just needed a few things. We love this Bird's Eye Steam Fresh veggies. Some of the kids like broccoli, some of the kids like cauliflower, so these are kind of perfect to have both. So I have multiples of this in my freezer at all times, and it's just a lot cheaper at Walmart. This is not what I asked for, but we'll try it. I've never had this before. Pork cracklings dipper style, so I don't know, we'll see. Some frozen avocados, I like to have those, and I find them at Walmart. This is for my one son. He loves the Chobani yogurt, and he likes pineapple, so tried this one. Wisps, I like to use these as replacements for croutons, And they're good by themselves too. I've never tried the Asiago pepper jack, and I've never tried the cheddar cheese. I've only done the Parmesan. So I thought we would try some new ones this week. And that is it. That's our haul for the week.